There is no doubt about it, Ontario does not have enough psychologists to meet the demand, but there's a debate about how to address that shortage. One proposal in particular is drawing some controversy. On a chilly Saturday morning, a group of clinical psychologists coming together in Toronto with one mission.
We want the College of Psychologists and Behavioral Analysis of Ontario to stop the reforms that they are putting forth.
Those reforms would slash training requirements currently in place to become a clinical psychologist. We also met people like Mauricio Deutsch.
I've been using psychiatric care for the last 5-6 years.
An Ontario man who's been able to see a clinical psychologist, but in the province, many are not so lucky.
We do have an issue around access to psychologists and psychological associates who can diagnose and do therapy.
That nobody disagrees with. That issue is how to solve it. The college proposes reducing the number of supervised work years for master's level graduates from 4 years to 1. A move they say aligns with other provinces like Alberta and, quote, will maintain the profession's high standards while removing unnecessary delays that prevent qualified professionals from entering practice. But Dr. Natalie Michel, who went through her 4 years of supervised clinical work, says,
so master's degree and 1 year of clinical practice, it's just not enough.
Arguing those changes will be harmful.
We know that misdiagnosis increases when you've reduced training. Misdiagnosis can lead to people getting hospitalized unnecessarily or prolonged treatment or even worse.
But those in support of the changes,
the regulatory board is looking at this from a very evidence-based approach.
believe care won't be compromised, it will become more accessible.
I am hoping that people will be able to not only get assessments done faster, but hopefully they'll be also lower cost.
The college is now reviewing comments from the public. Final consideration will rest with the college's board and the Minister of Health. As always, if you have an issue, story, or question you'd like us to look into, reach out by visiting the Speaker's Corner tab on the City News website. Pat Taney, City News.